Christmas started more than 2,000 years ago. It celebrates the birth of Jesus in a small town called Bethlehem. This story is written in the Bible, but no one knows the exact date of his birth. The real day was never recorded. At first, it was a quiet religious event. Over time, it grew into something much bigger. Why do we celebrate on December 25th? Historians have many ideas. One says it began from old Roman festivals. These festivals celebrated the winter solstice, the shortest day of the year. It marked the return of longer days. Early Christians may have chosen this time to replace old traditions and share their faith. The word Christmas comes from Christ's Mass. It was an important church service in the past. Slowly, the holiday spread across Europe. It mixed with local winter customs and stories. These combinations built the beautiful traditions we know today. The message of hope and new beginnings still remains. From its small beginning, Christmas became a worldwide holiday. It carries a strong message of light in the dark. People everywhere understand this feeling. It is more than a story about one birth. It speaks about peace, love, and unity. The celebration reminds us that joy can grow even in hard times. Christmas is very special to many people. For Christians, it is a holy day. They go to church and pray together. They remember the story of Jesus' birth. But today, the meaning has grown wider. It is not only for religion, it is also a cultural day that teaches kindness and love to everyone. During Christmas, families try to come together. People travel far to visit their loved ones. They eat, talk, and laugh around the table. Old fights are forgotten. Everyone feels closer again. This time of sharing brings deep warmth. It helps families stay strong even in busy lives. Giving is an important part of Christmas. People exchange gifts to show love and care. Many give food, clothes, or money to those in need. These small actions bring real happiness. They remind us to be thankful for what we have. The spirit of giving makes the world kinder and brighter. Christmas also brings hope to people. The story of Jesus' birth teaches that big dreams can start small. It gives people strength when they face problems. This holiday reminds everyone to believe in better days. It shows that love and peace are always possible, even in difficult times. Christmas has many lovely symbols. Each one has a meaning of joy and faith. The Christmas tree is the most popular. It is an evergreen tree, showing life that never ends. People decorate it with lights and small ornaments. A bright star is placed on top, reminding us of the Star of Bethlehem that guided the wise men. Another famous symbol is Santa Claus. He is a happy old man in a red suit. He shows the joy of giving. Children write him letters about their wishes. They imagine he rides a sleigh with flying reindeer. At night, he brings presents to good children. This story fills every heart with happiness and fun. The colors of Christmas are special too. Red means love and energy. Green shows nature and new life. White stands for peace and purity. Gold is the color of light and joy. These colors appear in trees, gifts, and decorations. Together they make everything warm and full of Christmas spirit. Other symbols include bells, candles, and stockings. Bells ring to tell good news. Candles bring light and warmth. They remind people of hope and comfort. Stockings near the fire hold small gifts. Each symbol adds beauty and meaning. Together, they make Christmas a magical and joyful time for everyone. The story of Santa Claus comes from a real man named Saint Nicholas. He lived long ago in a place called Myra, now in Turkey. He was a kind man who helped the poor. He gave gifts secretly to those in need. His good heart made people love him. Over time, his story spread to many countries. One story tells of a poor man with 3 daughters. He had no money for their weddings. Saint Nicholas wanted to help in secret. He dropped gold coins down their chimney. The coins fell into the girls' stockings by the fire. That is how the Christmas stocking tradition began. The name Santa Claus comes from Sinterklaas, the Dutch name for Saint Nicholas. Dutch people brought this story to America. There, artists and writers changed his look. He became a round, cheerful man with a red suit. This image grew popular during the 1800s and became the Santa we know today. A poem and Coca-Cola ads made Santa's image famous. The poem described his red suit and flying reindeer. Later, Coca-Cola used him in their Christmas ads. This version became loved around the world. Today, Santa Claus is a global symbol of joy, kindness, and the spirit of giving. Christmas is more than just a day off. It is a warm feeling in our hearts. We enjoy the lights and gifts, of course, but the real meaning is about caring for others. It reminds us to be gentle and kind. This message never grows old. It brings light and happiness to the winter season. Life today moves very fast. People forget to rest and breathe. Christmas helps us stop for a moment. We can think about our year and the people we love. It reminds us to be thankful and to forgive. This quiet time brings peace to our hearts. It shows what is truly important in life. The joy of Christmas shines brightest in children. Their eyes sparkle with dreams and hope. They wait for Santa with big smiles. They believe in kindness and magic. That belief makes the world softer and happier. It reminds adults to dream again. Christmas keeps the child's heart alive in everyone. Let's keep the Christmas spirit every day. We can show kindness in small ways. We can share smiles and help others. Love and peace do not need a season. The real gift is caring hearts all year long. May your life be bright with joy. Merry Christmas to you and your loved ones.